Assalamu alaikum Zakir Sahib. I am Jawaz from USA, a student. I wanted to know if online Taraweeh are allowed or not. As long as online Taraweeh, whether the Taraweeh is going on in Makkah Haram and you're in Bangladesh or USA or Malaysia or India, can you read Taraweeh following the online Taraweeh? And it is a unanimous decision, unanimous fatwa from all the fuqahas that for a salah, for you to be part of the Jama'ah, you should be close to the Jama'ah. There is difference of opinion in different fuqaha. The Maliki school of thought say that even if there is a road or even if there is a river in between you, yet you are part of the Jama'ah. According to Hanafi school of thought, it is about 2 rows. If it is distance more than 2 rows, then you can't be part of Jama'at. According to Hanbali, as long as you hear, as long as you see, then there varies. But all of them agree that you should be close, you cannot be far away. So unanimously all the fuqahas agree that you cannot do Taraweeh online from another city, another time zone. Even same zone, if you are very far away, the distance is miles together, you cannot do. But the question someone asked, that in this situation where there is lockdown and almost all the mosques are closed, now can we read Taraweeh online or by listening on the television, whether it be from the Haram or whether any other place? As far as this is concerned, most of the fiqh council that I have tried to find the answer in the last few days, I did not find any fiqh council saying that you can read online. But there is a fatwa by Sheikh Muhammad Hassan Dadu, and according to me, he is one of the best living Islamic scholars today, alhamdulillah. Sheikh Muhammad Hassan Dadu, he is from Mauritania and he is one of a great scholar. He is a Muhaddis, mashallah, one of the most knowledgeable living Islamic scholars in the world, and I respect him and I've met him several times and I'm very close to him, alhamdulillah. According to him, his fatwa is the same. Generally you cannot do online, but in this situation, because most of the mosques are closed and most of the people don't have huffaz in the house, he has given the fatwa only on this situation, not otherwise. Because the mosques are closed, you can follow the Imaam online, whether on the television, and your salah will be accepted. The other fuqahas, the other scholars are saying, and the other fiqh councils are saying, because Taraweeh is not a fard, we don't want to open the door yet. Because not a fard, it is a sunnah muakkada, very important sunnah, so let's not open the door. But according to Sheikh Muhammad Hassan Dadu, that you can do if it is going to get you more khushu and more concentration in your salah. This is the answer that's available.